What's up, investors in the Money Talk family? Welcome to yet another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be discussing a stock that I believe could potentially 2x in the upcoming year. Now, 2x is almost conservative talking about this stock, considering its high short interest and also the previous patterns that it has followed, and also the upcoming catalyst that it potentially has in the year 2022. Now, regular analysts, they have a price target of around 3x from the place that this company is at right now, but we're going to be talking about that later. What is this company? Well, you already know what company this is because you saw the thumbnail and you clicked on the title. This is Ocugen, right? We're also going to be talking about some things that this company's investors need to be aware of, and also some things that I'm seeing today happen that are kind of not sitting so well with me, right, regarding this company and its investor behavior. But guys, before we get started, this is quite a bullish video on Ocugen. So with that being said, make sure you guys smash the thumbs up button so this video gets shared out to more investors of Ocugen, so they also feel better in the position, and maybe they either hold or maybe they average down, considering that this is a stock that is down over, how many percent is down from its all-time highs? I mean, it's down like 61%, right? It's down over 61%, over 60% from its all-time highs from the $15 level, sitting right down around the $5.30 levels, okay? So smash the thumbs up button so this video gets shared out to more people. And with that being said, let's get this video on Ocugen started. In the previous video that I made on Ocugen, guys, I stated that I believe that this stock is coming back down to the $5 level. Now, despite the harsh feedback that I got from the bullish community, considering that the stock was on an up trajectory, calling me dumb, calling me uneducated, calling me unsophisticated investor, and etc., I stuck to my guns and I actually told the community, my investment community, I said, look guys, either buy some puts or start shorting the stock at around the $14 level because this is coming down. Now, how was I able to predict such pattern and be able to be so accurate with my call? Well, that's because, guys, I could simply see the momentum die out, right? And I've seen this pattern play over and over again with Ocugen. Ocugen is a mixture of fundamentals and momentum. That means when there is a proper catalyst, first of all, Ocugen is a very legitimate company. I mean, these guys have a COVID vaccine. Now, although the COVID vaccine isn't available in the United States yet, it is going to be, right? Which is good, I mean, we don't know if it's going to be yet or not, but it is going to be available in other countries at least, right? Other countries are going to take the Ocugen vaccine, which will also lead to the United States, considering that they said they're planning on expanding into the United States by end of 2022, which we will get to, all right? Which we will get to, but let's just talk about how Ocugen plays out for now. So Ocugen is a stock that when there's a good catalyst on it, it gets running and there is no holding back this stock. But however, these periods of catalysts are always followed by a huge sell-off, all right? Because the community thinks of this stock as a momentum play now, right? They think that it gets running and it gets running, and then there is the crash, and then it stays consolidating for a while, I would say 5 to 6 months, and then we get a catalyst, and then it gets running all over again. And this is the pattern that I've been able to spot out with Ocugen and a whole lot of other stocks, right? So that's why I was so accurate. With that being said, if you guys want more if you guys want some option plays and some calls, make sure you guys subscribe, and also check out the making money in the market program, link down below in the comment section. Now, what is the making money in the market program? It is kind of a tongue twister, but it also got a ring to it, right? That's why I called it that. So what is the program, guys? The program is basically our Discord community with a lot of like-minded investors, and it also comes with my option and my trade alerts in there right before I even open a position, so you guys get that first. It also comes with my updates on recent plays and price targets, and also it comes with a $200 a month giveaway, so make sure you guys check that out. Now the program is actually on discount this month, and the discount ends at the end of this month. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys check that out now, okay? Like literally right now, because there are only limited spots. So if you guys can't get a spot, then make sure, if you can't get a spot, also one more thing, if you can't get a spot, the not discounted version is also available. Make sure you guys check out the not discounted version. The discount is for 30% off until the end of this month, so make sure you guys check that out. and it only costs $20 per month. So you guys can check it out and try it out for 1 month, and the next month, if you don't like it, you can easily just unsubscribe. Okay, it's not a one-time fee and costing you guys $3,000 or some ridiculous amount like that. Okay, so check that out, guys. The link is in the comments. The first comment is my pinned comment, and you also get one-on-one access to the man himself money talk. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can talk to me there. Okay, so now let's get back to what I was saying regarding catalyst plays and why I was actually not so bullish on Ocugen at the $15 levels. Well, that's because, guys, Ocugen has a vaccine that is ready, but is coming to the United States, that most likely will be coming to the United States by the end of 2022. Now, already the majority of the United States people or residents have already been vaccinated. Okay, they've already been vaccinated. So what does this mean? Well, that means that there won't be a need for the vaccine. Right? There won't be that much of a need. Now, however, on the other side, the argument against this is that Ocugen has a vaccine that is dedicated for the youth. That's right, for the youth. Therefore, the youth won't be taking the Pfizer vaccine and etc., and they'll be taking Ocugen's vaccine. Now, the counter argument to that is the youth that will be getting vaccinated are already vaccinated. Okay? And the people that aren't going to get vaccinated, they aren't going to take the new vaccine all of a sudden because it's newer. No, they have made up their mind they don't want to get vaccinated. And considering that there's going to be alternatives to the Ocugen vaccine, right? To the Ocugen vaccine and to the vaccine in general, considering now Pfizer's coming out maybe with a pill, there's the Merck COVID pill and etc. People are going to be less likely to take a vaccine. But here's where things get interesting, because if you look at Ocugen as a momentum play, you don't even need them to take the vaccine, right? You don't need people to take the vaccine in order for Ocugen to run from the $5 level to potentially the $15 level, which personally I am a little bit more conservative on, and I would say the $10 level, okay? Because I don't want you guys to be holding till the 100% resistance level, right? That's not really something that we like to mess with on this channel, and we like to kind of take profits at the 75 to 50% until it gets to the resistance level, because that's when we know that we are locking in actual profits. So why does it matter? Well, like I said, right, Ocugen is a catalyst play. That means just the headline of Ocugen coming to United States is going to blow the stock out of to the moon, like literally to the moon is going to go. Like, this stock is going to go absolutely crazy. And I personally believe that by end of 2022, as they plan, they're going to be in the United States. Now, fundamentally, I don't think they're going to succeed. I don't think they're going to do anywhere as good as they think. I mean, if you looked at their projection numbers, which I previously covered in my video explaining the same video that I dropped last month, explaining whether it's going to go to $5 or $40, $300, however much I said in that video, right? I explained that, look, their projection numbers don't make sense at all. Like, there isn't that many people in the United States that haven't taken the vaccine for them to take the vaccine. Now, on the other hand, right, another perspective of that is booster shot. We got the Delta, we got the Zelta, we got the Belta, now we got the Omicron, we got the Domicron. It seems like COVID is going to be around for a very long time, which means that Ocugen could potentially be offering boosters, right? So that's the other side of that argument. Now, personally, I don't care, because fundamentally, I'm not investing in Ocugen fundamentally. I'm just investing for it as a catalyst play. Okay, catalyst dash momentum play. Now, regarding why I believe this is also going to succeed as a catalyst play is because of its high short interest. Now, when it comes to short interest, guys, Ocugen has a short interest of approximately 25% as of 8th of December. All right, guys. Now, 25% is, guys might think 25%, that's kind of low. But the truth is, guys, 25% is what we are able to see. And this is the visible shorts. Visible shorts indicates there are invisible shorts, which there are, right? I mean, when you look at a stock like AMC, where people believe it is thousands of percent shorted, and the visible short interest is simply what? 18 or 20% or whatever it is. It bounces between 18 to 20%, somewhere around there, right? And people are going crazy talking about how this is a stock that is shorted over 1,000%. And they could potentially be right, considering that a lot of shorts are done through naked shorts and synthetic shares, right? Through the dark pool. Now, what is the dark pool? Dark pool is another platform that big hedge funds and big money makers use to short a company without it actually being seen on the level 2 and etc., without the shorts actually being seen. So this 25%, I would say, is more likely 50 to 60% shorted. Now, considering that this is a catalyst play and when it gets running, right? A short squeeze is absolutely possible. And that's why personally I believe that when they announce some good news regarding their vaccine, because right now that's another thing as well, right? Regarding this company, people are only seeing it as a vaccine play now. They're not even understanding that, dude, this is a company that has more than just a vaccine. I mean, just today, guys, they had news regarding their other medicine, right? Regarding eye or something. They are an icon company, right? And they did have some news regarding some other medicine that they're trying to get into the FDA's hands. But however, nobody cared. Nobody cares because, wait, Ocugen makes other medicine than the vaccines? We don't care. Ocugen is just a vaccine play to us. Okay? So that's why I believe when a catalyst comes out regarding the vaccines, right? Maybe vaccines coming to the United States, maybe vaccines getting approved by the FDA, right? And etc., which they are approved by the Indian FDA, but they're not approved yet by the US FDA, I'm pretty sure. But however, WHO, right? Who's the WHO? The World Health Organization, okay? They did give the thumbs up to Ocugen's vaccine, which makes many believe that an FDA approval is upcoming. And when this FDA approval comes up, this stock is going to get absolutely, it's going to go crazy. Right? First it's going to go crazy and then it's going to get squeezed. And once it gets squeezed, we're going to see it hit that $10 to $15 range. So that's basically my take, guys. But however, it's important to point out that we don't know for certain whether or not this catalyst is going to come. And this is a very speculative video. So with that being said, make sure you guys make your own conviction and make your own decision regarding where you put your money, considering I am not a financial advisor. All right, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Now, am I saying that to dodge responsibility and not get sued? No, I'm not saying that. First of all, don't sue me. What the hell's wrong with you? Suing some finance YouTuber? Come on, man. But I'm also saying that in order for you guys to understand, look, you need to do your own due diligence. You need to do your own research and you need to build your own conviction in a position. Because once you have your own conviction and once you believe in a play by yourself, when the stock dips 5%, 10%, you don't panic sell and paper hand. You maybe buy the dip. You may be average down, right? That's because you believe in the position. That's what I've done with many of my positions, and that's what I've been trying to communicate to the community, to our Making Money in the Market community as well. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe for more Ocugen updates. And also, like I said, smash that like button, guys, okay? Smash the like button so this video gets shared out to more Ocugen investors so they also understand that, look, I'm not a bag holder. I'm just in it and maybe I should just average down because this is a stock that can absolutely 100% recover. Not will absolutely 100% recover. Don't sue me, bro. All right. Anyways, with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Check out the Making Money in the Market program. Should I change the name? Let me know if I should change the name. I mean, that is a banger name, honestly. Making Money in the Market. Wow. Who came up with that? Oh, that's right, I did. Okay, anyways, with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for allocating your time to me. Money Talk.